Find some code. Well, we could scroll through the project tool window and poke around, but which file was our code in? Hope you memorized your file system. We could use search everywhere. Oh no, that's a lot of matches. Recent locations. That'll work. Right? Recent locations. This is the answer. No, it's not. Let's be a bit smarter. We don't think about file names. We think about code. We can use Command Option and O or Control Alt Shift and N to search by symbol. And we can use camel case. It's the same for any language. Command Option and O or Control Alt Shift and N to search by symbol. What if we want to find all the usages of this symbol inside this file? We can right-click and select Find Usages, or use Control Shift and F7 or Command Shift and F7 to find all the usages in the file. How about finding all the usages across my project for a symbol? We can highlight our symbol, then use Option and F7 or Alt and F7 to find usages across the project. How can I see where code is both used and declared? Just hold down Command or Control and then click on the symbol to go to the usages. We have many here. What about seeing where code is implemented? Yep, we can hold down Command and Option or Control and Alt and then click on the symbol to go to the implementation. These tips will work for any language symbol. Go faster by navigating your code by symbol. Find usages, go to the declaration, go to the implementation. The choice is yours.